So in this journey, we have learned some different kind of steps. The first step we concentrate about the C sharp basics. Those are the data types, operators, data conversations, and the way how we create the arrays, how to prepare the conditional statements. Based on the conditional statements, how we execute the logics, and we did the loops, and we have created the methods. Everything we did in the step one. And coming to the step 2, we have created the classes. In those classes we have created the constructors and properties. We prepare the static members in the class. Then we understood what is the difference between static classes and non-static classes. We have differentiated that. And then we have created the namespaces. In that namespace we prepare the classes again, and we come up with what are the advantages of the namespaces. And we learn the one of the oops concept, that is the abstraction, in the step 2. And then we created the some kind of C sharp programs by using the polymorphism techniques. So all these kind of activities we did in the step 2. And coming to the step 3, we prepare the methods, parameters, steps, tasks, and we have created the asynchronous calls, and we created the synchronous calls. We create the no. We understand what is the difference between synchronization and desynchronization. We created the extensions methods. What are the advantages of the extensions methods, and we understood what are the errors and how to uh, resolve the compile time errors, and how do we resolve the runtime exceptions by using the exception handling. So all these kind of activities we did in the step 3. And then we come up, and then we move to the step 4, and there we understood the uh, collections. And here we created the some arrays, array list, dictionary, hash table, hash set, tuple. So these kind of collections we have created. We understand what are the differentiations between these collections. And then we move to the access modifiers. By using the access modifiers we have protected the class members. And then we have already learned the assemblies. And so those kind of concepts we did in the step 5. And coming to the step 6, we created the delegates. We created the custom delegates, and we created the anonymous methods by using the lambda expressions. And we created the some programs based on the built-in delegates. Those are the func, action, predicate. So all these kinds of concepts we did under the step 6. So far we did all these kind of activities in step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and step 6. But right now this is the time we have to learn about the solid principles, and what is the design pattern, and the advantage of the design patterns. So all these kind of concepts, like advantage of the solid principles, everything we have to understand. So the main thing is that what are the solid principles, in the sense we are having the main 5 solid principles we are having in the C#.net. Those are very important. Because of that, earlier sessions we have completely concentrated the way how we created the code, but that is good. But right now in this step 7 we have to understand the way how we have to organize the code, how we have to maintain the code, how we have to reusable that code, how to test the code. So everything we have to do by using the solid principles. So solid principles are the very important concept in C#.net. By using this we can develop the scalable C sharp application. And moreover we have to understand what is the design pattern. So design pattern is the one kind of a rule in the programming language which is useful for to design the your C sharp application. So by using the design pattern here, we have to understand the way how we can build the real-time application. So that kind of concept we will cover here by taking the best programs. So in this step 7, we will learn these principles and concepts. Everything we will cover under the step 7. Welcome to step 7.